My name is Matt Rorks. I've been a professional firefighter for the last 12 years. Been driving for 8, pumping around the city for the last, around 6 years. I've got a lot of experience in and around the trucks. We drove both trucks back from Scott County. It was around 350 miles. I think we even, included climbing Mont Eagle. No problems temperature-wise. Both trucks ran well. Got them back today. Pumped both trucks. Ran both ladders. Mechanically, both are sound. Pump's great. The ladder runs great on both trucks. Had no real issues at either one of them. I trust both of them.